Okay, so we'll try to uh, create records via script, okay, uh, using glide record in ServiceNow. Yeah, so we'll for simplicity we'll try to keep the table as incident. Okay, so see, this is the incident table I have, and total there are 200 incidents. So if I go to new, see, this is one way of creating an incident, right? If I put all this information, if I put the caller, okay, if I put the caller, if I say here these things, and if I submit the incident, so what this new record is now just now created, right? Uh, count has become 201, right? So there are now 201 incidents. So what if I have to do, I mean, what if I have to create this via script, right? Via script. For example, let's say I have to create an incident with short description as uh, creating via script in the instance, and if I need to give the description as say uh, okay, just this is description. Yeah. So if this is the requirement, right? If somebody asks you to create an incident with these values, short description and description via script, how will we do that? Okay, so uh, so I will use the background scripts. Yeah. So go to scripts background. Please note that this background is different. So uh, so we should not use it. Don't use in the production because it alters the data, right? Even if the data is inserted, data is deleted, that's difficult to retrieve. So use it only in the non-production instance. In the production, you can use the fix script. Yeah. What is fix scripts? Just type x space s and see. Yeah, this is the fix script. This is another module. We'll cover it sometime. So you can use the fix script. These can be like the data. There is a possibility to retrieve the data. Yeah. Okay. So going back to the scenario, this is a new incident we need to create with these values. Okay. So we'll initiate the object. We will glide record the incident table. We will query it. Now here we need to initialize the object. Okay, just write this one line here and see this object name dot initialize. That means a new record is being initialized, and now we can give the now we can provide the values as string, right? So if we need this, send it as a string, the semicolon, and send the description part as well in the string. Okay, finally, grinc dot insert. Yeah. Now just to see whether the incident is created, let's give a log gs dot info grinc dot number. Okay. So let's run the script. Okay, it is executed. These are some warnings and errors. And finally, this is what I'm getting. Script has created new incident with this number 10041. Let's check. Yes, this is 10041. Yeah. So this is the incident. Let's open it. Yeah. So creating via script in the instance. This is description. So these are the values that we set, right? So this is the short description and description. Okay. So this is how we can create the records in a table via script. So now you can try some multiple things, like you can try to set the color, and while setting up the color, please send the sys id of the user, right? uh, okay, let me give you an example. Suppose I want to set Abel tutor. Suppose I'm creating one more incident and I need to set Abel as the caller for that incident, right? Okay, we can try to actually cover one more For example, let's remove this appel tutor. Let's have somebody else here. So now we'll extend this scenario. Uh, Update record via script. Okay. Update the caller to this Abel tutor. Okay, so currently for this incident, this is the caller. So now let's go to the background script. Uh, okay, so here we need to add a filter, that is grinc dot add query number, comma, let's add this number. Okay, so see what this is doing. It's in simple terms, this is a filter. So in the incident table, we are adding a filter that number should be this, then only do the operations on this number only, right? So we don't need initialize. This is already set. Incident description insert is already been done. So now let's just set the caller to able tutor. Caller underscore id is equal to, I think this is this, we save sysid somewhere. No, okay. Copy sysid, give it here, and just update it. Okay. Okay. Here we'll give caller underscore id to string. JavaScript compiler missing. Okay, missing semicolon somewhere. Where is semicolon missing? Okay, okay, let's try. Okay, so the update is successful. Let's go at the bottom and okay, it's still running. Okay, so the caller has been set to blank. Okay, so you can see the caller has been set to blank. Caller underscore id is not defined. Okay, let me see if this happens. Otherwise, we'll cover it in a new scenario, in a new this one. Okay, so if we are passing the string value, yeah, it is updating. So we'll do one more thing. We will try to set it to admin activity. Okay. Uh, let's send it as a string field. Okay, let's run it. We set it as able tutor. Okay, it is set as able tutor itself, but still this update scenario we'll try to cover in the uh, next videos because this might get too long if we do some experiments, do some changes over here. Okay. Uh, okay then I'm just trying to send will I'm just trying to send the sys ID. Just trying to see what uh, can this happen. Okay, so now we are sending the sys ID. Now, okay, still it is updated, but what if we send this in the short description? Yeah, I'm just trying to see if this update is working. Okay, so the update is done. Yeah, so the short description is set. Okay, then, so now we have tried to cover how the incident, I mean, the record creation works, right? Um, and of course, we were able to set the call able tutor and also update the short description. But in the next few videos, we'll try to uh, send the sys IDs. Yeah, send the reference values to the reference fields. Yeah, so you can also try this. Otherwise, we'll try in the next few scenarios. So in this, we learned how to create a records in the ServiceNow table via script. And uh, let me just do that once again. So if somebody needs the script, they can take the screenshot. Dot query. So I'm just sending these string fields. Okay. Let's see what is the current count of incidents. I think there would be 202 incidents, right? Yep, 202 incidents we have. So if we are sending a new one, let's see if this creates. There is unterminated string. Okay, there is something that we have missed. Okay, so insert is there. Now let's refresh from 202 to 203. So a new incident is created. Yes, so these are the values we sent. This is short disk. and this is this. Yeah, so these were the values we set. So this is how we can create new records into the table using script. So again, this is background script. Please do use it in the non-production itself. And if we need to use it in the production, so we also have this module fix script, right? So this can be backed out. There is a possibility. So use the same code, copy paste the same code into this fix script, give the name, do run it, and uh, it should work. If any issues, you can comment down. Thank you.